Hey guys, today let's learn how to fix iPhone as disabled without losing all of our data and what only. What you could only do to retrieve your iPhone is to just reset to the device and remove all of its data because the iOS software is just detecting that you are not the original user of the iPhone because you don't know the password of that phone initially. What you could actually do is you could actually try to remember your password. Or if you know a person who specializes in iPhone technology, you could actually head on and let them do the job for you and help you retrieve your iPhone and make it the UN disabled, basically. Or you could actually recall your iPhone password, and that's going to give you the option to get it on disabled. So basically, you could try to connect it onto iTunes, and by doing so, it's going to give you the option to regain access to your phone again if you want, if you have connected it onto iTunes. Also, you could also try to connect it onto your PC and trying to retrieve it from there. Of course, if you are the original user, you know the Apple ID, you know the iCloud password and all of those information. You're going to have no problems regaining access to your phone since you are the original user and you know the needed information to do so. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video.